Any filler in general, it's gonna give volume and it's gonna plump your face, so you're gonna see results right away. And it's super nice actually to see the difference between one side being treated and then the other not being treated, because you can make any difference, especially when we're doing contouring of your jawline or contouring of your cheekbone. That it's nice to see. So when we're injecting fillers, you're gonna see results right away. However, we need a little bit of time for the filler to blend in your own tissue. So still needs like probably a week or two in order for that filler to blend in and then see the full results. Because Juvederm works right away, we can inject even like almost before an event. That it's important to know the areas that we're going to treat, because we don't want any bruising, but at the same time, like 3 days, 5 days before an event, it's enough time to see results and to get the look that we want for an event, in contrast with Botox that we need 2 weeks in order to see results. There are some areas that when we inject, we can get to certain point, or like we can get to specific results. So for example, when we're doing contouring of the jawline and we can create a little bit of that lifting more for the jowls, it's gonna get to a point that as we age, we are not only losing the elasticity of our skin, then we're losing volume, we're losing muscle tonicity, and it gets to a point that when we're injecting fillers, it doesn't give you the best results. So from that, it's important that you talk to your provider, and at the same time the provider talk to you, because it's probably time for surgery. Patients may need filler more often and then little amounts. Why? Because we don't want to change your face. So we can create a little bit of lifting around your jawline, around your cheekbone, but at the same time, that amount, it's important to maintain instead of putting too much and change your face. In that sense, we have to do surgery, because surgery is going to give you the biggest change, especially for a natural look. When you're in that period where you see that, for example, fillers are not working the same way, you're still aging, you need a little bit more lifting, you wanted to do a consult for surgery. Why? Because you wanted to be evaluated. What are the results you're gonna get for surgery? Is it surgery worth? And most of the time, surgery is gonna be worth, especially if you wanna create that extra pulling with a natural look. In general, Juvederm works really well. We try to add volume in specific areas where you're losing, and at the same time not overdo it, because we can get a natural result, and we'd rather do it more often than do large amounts. Once you get to a point that the fillers is not helping, then we'll recommend you to have surgery.